In this video, I'll show you how to unlink your Rockstar account from Steam. First, open your web browser and search for Rockstar Games customer support. Open the official Rockstar Games support website. Next, click Submit a request in the top right corner. From the available options, select Account. Then, choose Account Settings, followed by Linking, Unlinking Accounts. If you're asked to sign in, log in to your Rockstar Games account. Scroll down to the support ticket form. In the description box, explain that you want to unlink your Rockstar Games account from your Steam account. You can also include any additional details that may help support understand your request. Once you're done, submit the support ticket. Rockstar support will review your request and contact you with further instructions or confirm once your Steam account has been unlinked. And that's how you can unlink your Rockstar Games account from Steam.